Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Today we're going to be unboxing some precious metals. In fact, we're going to be opening the Royal Mint's 1 ounce silver coins. And now I've ordered 3 1 ounce silver coins, so I'm going to do 3 individual unboxing episodes. So we will see which one we open first. Alright, so let's get to it. Very, very excited for this. This is actually my first purchase from the Royal Mint that actually includes coins. I've always ordered bullion bars, so here we go. Just check my address isn't on there. Perfect. So here we've got 3 1 ounce silver coins, and let's go with the middle one. Alright, let's see what we've got. I'm very, very excited. I wanted to change it up. I've always ordered bars, but I am aware that there is, investment tax upon resale. I can't remember what the name of it is now. And coins is, you pay the tax when you purchase it, not when you sell it, basically. So here we go. Wow. That is my 1 ounce Britannia silver bullion. It's a 999 fine silver Britannia 2022 1 ounce silver bullion. Holy crap. I love the capsule it comes in. Wow. Do you know what? It's bigger than I expected. It's a lot bigger than I expected. My 1 ounce silver bullion bars are sort of about that big. So yeah, in comparison, I suppose with the dimension and everything, it was about right. But I've got to say, the Royal Mint's capsules are very, very nice. It's really thick. I expected it to be a lot thinner. The quality feels very nice, and it's got a lot of weight to it. Wow, let's get a nice close-up of that. Wow. So that is the Britannia 1 ounce 2022 silver coin. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more of these, I can tell you that now. Straight away, and it's got Queen Elizabeth on the back. I paid about £25 for this, so it's about sort of £8 to £9 over the spot price, which is quite a fair amount. But as you guys know, the Royal Mint has high premiums, but when it comes to resellability, it is very, very well looked upon if it's a Royal Mint piece. So as I'm holding this for long-term game, 25 years, I expect to make a good return on my investment. And also, in the meantime, it's just a fantastic hedge against inflation. So yeah, please let me know in the comments below what you think of this coin. I like it a lot. The detail is fantastic. A little fact for you here, it's got a security piece. This is the first coin of its type to have extra security on it. That little look there, when you turn it to the side, I hope you guys can see it. It shows a padlock. There you go, you can just see it there. That's a security feature, but when you turn it this way, it's hard to show on camera. It's supposed, there you go, it's got the trident that she's holding, if you can see it there. There you go, it's got the trident, so it shows a padlock and it shows a trident. Very, very cool technology. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please leave your thoughts in the comment below in regards to this coin, and if you prefer purchasing bars or coins. And if you want to see more content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because the next 2 episodes are going to be unboxing episodes as well. Alright, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.